But I do remember waking up in this weird room. It was a complete mess. There were boxes everywhere, broken boxes, and it was really dark. And then one of the boxes that turned on and it was I can't seem to recall what happened. One of the monitors turned on and it was Mr.
Journal, do you really expect us to believe that?
I'm lying. Journal, he's trapped in another dimension.
There is no possible way he could have been talking to you unless you're making it up.
Wait, I'm making it up. Man, back again for a second time.
Well, at least I tried. Can't say the same for Pixel Brain over here.
Hey, I was on the final boss!
Today, we've received a record-breaking vote. Let's show the likes.
Haha, yes! High score!
What? How did you get the most likes?
I guess the viewers realized how
Game Boy
I am.
Game Boy Color for getting the most likes. Token. Viva Fairy Game Boy. Now, before we reveal the dislikes, Game Boy Color, would you like to use your immunity token?
It's not like the viewers would vote me off.
Game. Welcome everyone to your 4th challenge.
Could you please hurry this up? Some of us have more important matters to attend to.
Brick, you were literally watching paint dry.
Look, it may seem very boring at first, but it's actually entertaining once you get used to it.
Anyway,
Behind you, there are 3 towers, one for each team. At the top of the tower is your team's designated princess. Each team must find a way to get out the tower, save the princess, and get down safely while avoiding obstacles all the way through. Last team to retrieve their princess from the tower will be up for elimination.
Well, what's stopping the princess from just jumping down?
You can't do that. It's against the rules, it would be too easy. Someone must go up, or else their team will automatically be up for elimination.
So, who are the princesses anyway?
Well, one person from each team will be randomly chosen to be the princess, using this randomizer.
so since you guys are the princesses, you'll have to wear these outfits. Okay, no, I am not wearing that. Oh, you better wear it. Or else what? Or else you're gay? And you don't want to be the cause of that, do you?
Get off this tower! If only someone brave and courageous were to climb up and save me. I said, if only someone brave and courageous were to climb up and save me.
Camel! Last light is trying to do?
Trying desperately to get Glass Shard's attention?
What? No! Do? Courageous.
You better not be talking about.
She was talking about me! Worry, Flashlight, I'll save you.
And they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh boy.
You guys hurry up? I want to get this over with.
Oh, don't worry, princess.
Game?
We'll save you.
Do not call me princess. Game? Call me princess.
Hold tight and I'll be able to give you a big fat kiss. Hold tight.
Whoa!
The heck did that come from?
Hey.
Well, this should be easy. I can just fly up.
You could, but that would be against the rules.
So if we can't use magic, how are we gonna get up there?
Typical.
Especially with all those obstacles.
Typical.
Hey.